Hello, everybody out there in social media land, your personal injury, family law attorney Derek Bernstein here, giving you more legal advice. Exactly what you wanted for this day. And I got this question. I get this one this week. Got it a lot. Is moving out a mistake in a divorce? Right? That is a loaded question. Is moving out a mistake? It depends on your situation. So the benefit of moving out is if you're in a toxic relationship for your mental health, maybe for your kids, because you guys are fighting constantly, it's getting to the point of violence and things of that nature. Could moving out be great? Yes. From a standpoint of you want majority custody, they don't. Now you've moved out of the house. The kids are in the house, right? You should leave the kids where they normally are, right? That's the smartest thing for the kids. Now, say she has the kids in the house at the school. You're on the other side of town trying to make ends meet. Things continue. You try to work it 6 months later. It's 8 months later. Now, at 10 months, you come and talk to me. Those kids have been in the same house, at the same school, right? A judge is not going to want to move these kids as much as if they were with you, right, at the other place. So when it comes to moving out, it can be detrimental to a custody case, but it's not the end, right? It's not the end. You can explain a lot of things, but some judges might look at that and go, I don't want to move the kids away from their school. I don't want to move away from their friends. Their grandparents live down the block, things like that, right? And she wants to keep the house. She has the money to pay for it, things of that nature. So it can be weird. But for mental health, for your safety, to not catch a domestic violence injunction or whatever it needs to be, sometimes you need to move out. So it really is dependent on kind of what's going on in your situation. But you don't have to move out, right? That's probably the question people are getting to. You don't go, hey, we're breaking up, get the fuck out. You don't have to do that. You just have to, get along. It's harder than it seems, but you have no legal need to move out. So if you're in a marital home, you're on the lead on the deed, she's on the deed, he's on the deed, whoever you're married to, you don't have to go anywhere. But that might get ugly, right? So reach out to a personal injury attorney, a family law attorney, talk to them, give them the facts of what's going on. They call us counselors for a reason, or maybe if you're a religious person, go talk to your pastor, talk to a good friend, talk to somebody, because this is a real tough decision. Financially, it probably doesn't make any sense. Legally, it probably doesn't make any sense. Socially, it probably could make a ton of sense. So it really depends on your situation. Reach out, leave a comment, DM me, text me. I'll give you my opinion based on it. Take that for what it's worth. I'll give you all the moving parts of it. But if you're in a bad situation, it might be the best thing to do for your own safety too. So keep those questions coming on a lighter note, something lighter, so I don't have to be so serious. And we'll talk to you soon. Click subscribe. If it's right here, if it's down there, I don't know where it is. Click subscribe. Make me feel good for giving out some of this free legal advice. And keep those questions coming, guys.